Good morning. All right. Good morning, Nishant. Okay.
Good morning, Rahulji.
Good morning, Nishant. How are you?
Morning. How's
All
everything?
right. All well, all well. Just give me a second. I just get this. Just a second. I'll just wait
Sure,
for
of course,
you.
no problem. No problem.
All right. Perfect. Great.
मेरे ख्याल से थोड़ी सी कोई हवा की आवाज आ रही है, like something is blowing.
Is it? Is it? Okay. All right. Let me put up that. Let me put up. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, Kajal. Good morning, everyone.
All right. Good morning, Zafar. Good morning. How are you? Is it better now?
Much better, much better. मेरे ख्याल से
Much
वो
better.
सीलिंग फैन चल रहा होगा ना.
Ah, oh.
कोई बात नहीं, नहीं
Good
नहीं,
to
मैं
see you. Good
समझ
to
गया,
see you.
समझ गया.
Okay, great. So we have Molly also joined. Official Mintu Sharma also joined. Good morning, everyone. How are you today? So we have a very special guest today, Mr. Nishant Suri. Big round of applause and welcome Ms. Nishant Suri to join
Thank you
for our
so much.
live session. Of course, we'll be waiting for a few more participants to join in. So we'll start off.
Of course, of course.
We'll wait for another few minutes now from now because everybody should join. So good
No
morning,
problem.
Minakshi others will join, of course. Good morning, everyone. Good. And how is everyone, Nishant? How is at home? All well?
All well, keeping safe, keeping healthy, staying indoors. I mean, even though in Delhi, like सब कुछ इन्होंने खोल दिया है. I mean, जितना क्या कहते हैं, like जो city के जो markets वगैरह हैं, सब कुछ खुली हुई हैं. But it's better to stay in the safe area कि मतलब आप अपने बाहर निकलने को थोड़ा monitor करके रखो because it's, I mean, people अभी तक सुधरे नहीं हैं. I mean, like they're still,
नहीं सुधरे नहीं.
I mean, like still, like
I
you
don't
see
know.
people walking around without masks. You still see people, like
I know.
not using the sanitization stations. It's
Surprising.
just a matter of,
Surprising.
like I would say, being mindful about the entire process of being hygienic. Because ठीक है, अब जैसा है चल रहा है. But
चल रहा है.
पंजाब में कैसा चल रहा है अभी फिलहाल?
It's good. Of course, things are better now. Its movement is started. So,
जी जी जी.
okay. Simi also joined. Simi is one of our students.
Oh,
She'll be joining for this
perfect.
batch.
Great, Simi.
Walk Eat. Okay, Walk Eat is here. Just to share with you, Mr. Nishant Suri has joined in today. And let me take, it's my privilege to welcome you again, Nishant.
Thank you
So,
so much.
just have
Very
a
kind.
brief about Nishant. I just want to share with everyone. Mr. Nishant Suri has started his hospitality journey from January 2008 at certificate level from STMI Switzerland to gain his academic and practical knowledge in order to prepare him for the industrial requirements. And we are glad that he started with his career with HTML Switzerland. And of course, he is currently employed as a hospitality training manager with HTML Switzerland since June 2018, where he facilitates in the process of training campuses for hospitality tourism management courses of HTMI. Nishant has a diverse background in hospitality and tourism industry, acquired from 2018 till present, from various internship, full-time jobs, roles that he has served in over various varying geographical locations. So welcome again, Nishant. Thank you so much for joining in,
Thank you so much. Thank
and
you so
thank
much.
you.
Thank you so much. Very kind of you. Very kind of you.
It was a pleasure moment that you spare time for us, and
Thank
just
you.
want to share with you. Just want to share with you. MHM Batinda is always proud to be associated with HTML Switzerland,
And
and
we are. We are. Believe me. I think it's a matter of how well located you are. How Batinda is very central to all of Punjab. I think it's a great privilege for us to be associated with MIHM as well, because the whole idea is to see how well the partnership goes, and it is going well, and I see there's a lot of potential students, because always I'll speak मैं थोड़ी I'll change from Hindi English, so
yes.
the audience is very interactive in that sense.
Yes,
So
yes,
I
yes.
mean,
Why not?
जहाँ तक मेरा कहना है कि पंजाब के बच्चे हैं जितने भी, and like the public is like, you know, बाहर जाके सेटल होना, PR लेनी है, but like I think this is something that MIHM really does, is to have that एजेंडा सेटअप कि हाँ जी आपको करना क्या है, कि आपका एम क्या है, एम आपको बनाना
बिल्कुल।
पड़ेगा। और एम आपको बिना एम के लाइक ओके, लोग कहते हैं कि हाँ जी हम कनाडा चले जाएंगे, कनाडा, हम ऑस्ट्रेलिया चले जाएंगे, हम आईलेट्स कर लेंगे। आई मीन लाइक इट्स आईएल्स, इट्स नॉट आईलेट्स।
Hi,
So
let's.
so I mean like it's not something which, I mean, it's just a stereotype that has become, but at the same time what we are doing is at HTMI and with MIHM to make sure that everybody is aware of what to aim for, क्योंकि मेन ये होता है कि
Yes.
आपको अपना एम बना के चलना पड़ता है, क्योंकि आप ये सोचो कि हाँ जी मैं बाहर जाके सेटल होना, that's not an aim, that is just
Yes.
a very generalized thing कि that's like saying मुझे भूख लगी है, you know. So I mean भूख लगी है is like okay अब खाना क्या खाना है, like you want to have eggs, vegetarian हो क्या, like छोटी छोटी डिटेल्स उसमें आ जाती हैं। If you're hungry you need to eat, yes, but what do you need to eat? इस चीज़ का आपको like you need to have that agenda set up कि हाँ जी आपने घर से बनाना है, आपको खुद करना है, बाहर से ऑर्डर करना है। क्योंकि आप बाहर से ऑर्डर करोगे तो किसी और की मेहनत लग रही है, that means you have to spend money. In
Yes.
that sense you have to in that sense you have to like, you know, depend on somebody else, but at the same time if you're preparing something at home you need to do it by yourself and you need to work hard for it, you need to sweat over that meal, and
Yes.
then you have to come to terms with yourself. And I mean I'm just using this analogy for the sake of students and also parents alike to understand that it's an investment. Yes, education right now is considered as an investment, especially here in the local Indian market. But it's a good return on investment because it will not only just provide your child with a future, it will set them up for a lifetime. It's something
Yes,
not
of
that they
course.
can fall back on, it's something that they can depend on at any given time.
Very true.
और
Very true.
इस चीज़ को मेरे ख्याल से, you know, I mean like of course I'll let you do the discussion. मेरा खाली एक मैं बड़ा एक rough idea देना चाह रहा था, so that you know like I think like it's a morning motivation that I have, so that I just want to give out like, you know, a positive vibe
Yes.
to the entire conversation.
Yes, very important. I think very rightly said, Nishan. I feel education is the investment. You know, if you invest on education, you will grow. And HTMI courses and HTMI programs are designed in such a way that, you know, we are very much practically oriented programs. We have more candidates to join in. Shiny Dua is here. Hi, Shiny. Of course, Mrs. Arora is here. We have Arnav's mother. She's also joined in, one of our students for HTMI. He's here. And of course, namaskar everyone once again. So, of course, we are discussing about the future career and of course, the what are the opportunities behind, of course, after doing the Swiss program, especially from MIHM Bhatinda. So, Nishant, my question for you is, how do you see this pandemic situation as an opportunity or as a challenge for hospitality experience? What is your feel on this?
I think it is an opportunity. It is something that is
Yes.
allowing students to be a part of something greater. Because what has
Yes.
happened pre-pandemic is that people got laid off. Many people did. I mean, people who have been working in the hospitality industry for years, for ages, not having that educational background, but they got laid off. That's unfortunate.
Yes.
However,
Yes.
as unfortunate as that may be, there is a window of opportunity for the students or for the individuals who did not have the education at that time to use this time now to get educated, because it is a matter of time that the young generation is going to catch up with the
Very
industry.
important.
It is
Very important.
through this education, जो आपकी पढ़ाई अभी है उसको आप यूटिलाइज करोगे तभी आपका करियर आगे बढ़ेगा।
बिल्कुल सही
It's
बात आपने
very
बोली है।
simple. बिल्कुल
बिल्कुल।
सिंपल सी बात है कि अगर आप अपने टाइम को, क्योंकि काफ़ी बच्चे होते हैं बोलते हैं नहीं हम गैप ले लेते हैं, लेट अस लाइक यू नो ठीक है, लेट्स से विद द फैमिली हम घर पे बैठ जाते हैं। आई थिंक राइट नाउ इज द टाइम टू टेक एन एक्शन, राइट नाउ इज द टाइम टू यूटिलाइज योरसेल्फ। अपने टाइम को यूटिलाइज करो, क्योंकि दैट द टाइम लॉस्ट इज समथिंग व्हिच इज मनी लॉस्ट, बिकॉज टाइम इज मनी।
Yes.
In that
Yes.
sense,
Very
you
true.
know, it's because not just money, it is of value. क्योंकि आप अगर अपने पैसे को अगर आप इन्वेस्ट करते हो सब कहीं पर, आप इन्वेस्टमेंट की रिटर्न देखते हो हमेशा।
Yes,
चाहे वो आप
yes,
शेयर्स पे लगाओ, चाहे वो आप एजुकेशन पे लगाओ. आप अगर, let's say for example, if you're spending for Swiss education 25 lakhs for 1 year, you would see a return on investments of 50% of that education in the same year,
yes,
because you would be getting
yes,
those paid internships. So
yes,
जैसे हमारा आपको पता है राहुल जी, like how our system is at HTMI, we allow students to do 6 months of studies for each course, and then
yes.
followed by which they do 6 months of internship,
Internship, yes.
where they get paid for the 6 months overall 12,000 Swiss francs. 12,000 Swiss francs is equal to 10 lakh Indian rupees. No country, no other place
Yes.
in the world is going to give a fresher a package of 10 lakh Indian rupees in the first
Very
job.
important. Very, very important. Yes.
So
S-
in this sense, it is very important for students to understand that, and for parents again to understand that it is not just a matter of I spent the money, I need to see a return immediately. Rather, they have to have a very systematic approach towards the entirety process, because अगर आप ये एक्सपेक्ट करो कि हाँ जी मैंने आज 25 लाख खर्चे हैं तो हाँ जी मेरे को कम से कम अगले हफ्ते तक 25 लाख वापस चाहिए, that's not going to happen.
नहीं
You have
होता,
to be
नहीं हो
realistic about these things. Yeah.
पाएगा. Very true, very true. No, I think I'm totally with you, because the education system is something which, and of course, I believe, especially in a state we are in, people think that अरे कुछ नहीं है, 1 साल वेस्ट हो जाएगा, 2 साल वेस्ट हो जाएगा, 3 साल वेस्ट हो जाएगा. They spend more. That's the thing they spend on that. I think
Of course.
बिल्कुल सही कह रहे हैं. मैंने देखे हैं बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स जो अपना टाइम वेस्ट करते हैं, spending time in so many of coaching centers, and they waste a lot of time. I would suggest, and of course, with Mr. Nishant was saying, very important that students should use and utilize their time, study hard, and develop
Of
their
course.
skills. And as far as MIHM Bhatinda is concerned and HTMI is concerned, it's a very historic partnership where city of Bhatinda is blessed to have an institution like this, जहाँ पे आपको international studies, international platform आपको एक ही जगह मिल रहा है, and that's what we believe in. And
Of course.
excellent, Nishant, you rightly said. Now, and I just want to ask you a very simple question. Tell me your
जी बिल्कुल.
experience with HTMI. Tell me your experience with HTMI from 2008 till now. How do you feel? How you change yourself through HTMI courses?
I've changed. I mean, like, I left the country when I was 19. So, I mean, I was लड़का. आप ये कह लोगे. Like, I was just like, जो ये कहते हैं ना कि हाँ भी
But
छड़ा. That's exactly what I
chada.
was. So for me, it was
Yes.
very, I was very naive. I was very, like, moldable in that sense, so to say. But like going to Switzerland, it was very comforting for me. Like there was at no point in time did I feel like I'm homesick. There was no point in time that I feel like मैं घर जाना चाह रहा हूँ and I miss home. ऐसा बिल्कुल था ही नहीं. Like there was a very smooth transition period. कोई ऐसा नहीं था कि हाँ जी मुझे काम करने में शर्म है. No, it's a learning process. It's a part and parcel of the hospitality industry, because
Yes. Yes.
this is exactly what HTMI did. So like जैसा MIHM का campus है, there is a hotel campus, right? It's
Yes.
exactly like right next to the hotel. It is built in a hotel. So in that sense, I mean, this is exactly how the concept is at HTMI as well. It is a live running hotel. So
Yes.
in that sense, students get to learn not only about how a hotel runs, like from inside and out, not just seeing it from the customer side, but also seeing it from behind the scenes.
Yes.
That's
Very
exactly what
important.
is needed. We are wanting our students to be industry ready. We're not creating just employees. We're creating leaders. And that's why our
Very
slogan
important.
is not a student, become a manager. Because we want not to create only employees. We want to create individuals who are entrepreneurs, individuals who are willing to take the risk to push that page of challenging, not just like our tutors, but also like the industry, because this
Very
industry
important.
is it is one of the most biggest contributor to economies. I mean, आप
Yes. Very
ज़्यादा
important.
दूर
Very
नहीं जाते.
important.
हम like अगर इंडिया को देखें, almost in a year, इंडिया में टूरिस्ट आता है कम से कम 100 million होगा.
Yes.
खाली
Very
इंडिया
true.
में.
India
ठीक है.
में.
उस चीज से 100 मिलियन टूरिस्ट अगर पर आदमी या पर पर्सन अगर कोई अब्रॉड से आ रहा है या इवन डोमेस्टिक ट्रैवल कर रहा है, कुछ नहीं, they will be spending at least 10,000 Indian rupees. I mean, multiply that by 100 million.
Oh God.
That is a ton of. It's a very highly valuable industry, and that's
Yes.
something which many students, many teachers, many individuals, or I think that the narrow scope that they see, that individuals see, in general, कि नहीं जी, hospitality is about kitchen में काम करना, hospitality is about restaurant चलाना, hospitality is about working as a server. No, not at all. There is so much more behind it. There's
Yes.
HR, because these are teams that hire these individuals. There's sales and marketing to promote this business. There is even finance,
Finance.
because
Yes.
right? I mean, all these, there's revenue management. There is
Very
so
true.
much more. There's technical skills that are required. There's maintenance team. There's safety and security team, housekeeping. All of this is not just, these are not just individuals who are working for you. They're working for their own future too.
Very
And
important.
this is
Very
exactly
important.
what is needed, like to have that broad scope and that broad knowledge of, yes, there is so much more to this industry, and like without individuals getting to know that's what is the hospitality industry about, they'll always be in that shallow state where they will think कि हाँ जी बस यही है, इससे आगे और नहीं है.
कुछ नहीं है बिल्कुल आई थिंक एब्सोल्युटली राइट निशांत हॉस्पिटैलिटी इंडस्ट्री एक देयर इज अ मिसकंसेप्शन दैट ये केवल एक खाना सर्व करना ही है या ऑफ कोर्स कुकिंग ही है या ऑफ कोर्स इट्स ऑल अबाउट हाउसकीपिंग एंड फ्रंट ऑफिस या सर्विस ही है देयर इज लॉट टू मोर एंड इवन आई फील आवर प्रोग्राम्स आर डिजाइन इन सच ए वे हमारे जो प्रोग्राम डिजाइन किए गए कुछ इस तरह डिजाइन किए कि वो students can become an entrepreneur students can become become a sales and marketing manager a student can become a food blogger food food
I mean,
photographer
like थोड़ा सा अपना मैं example दूंगा. So like how I started, I studied at HTMI. My first internship was working in a kitchen area. So like I was working in the cold kitchen for that restaurant that I was working in. Moving on, then I worked in housekeeping. I was pulling bags. I was cleaning rooms. I was guiding. I was basically a parking attendant too at that time. I was working as a night auditor at the same, like night, I would say, porter of the hotel. From there, I moved to do service. I was working in banquets. I was working in like F&B. Again, like these are three different fields.
very
This and
important
this,
yes
kitchen अलग है, housekeeping अलग है, आपका
अलग
food and
है
beverage अलग है. फिर उसके बाद I was working as a front office trainee. So as a front office trainee, it was important for me to learn German. So
yes
German आपको सीखनी पड़ेगी. I mean, like for me, it was my interest that I want to learn German because it was my passion that I want to interact with individuals. I want to have that dialogue that I want to open up with. So of course, I had to take up German. So for me, it was important to keep German as a language because that's what's needed in Switzerland. Looking at my performance, my manager then, even as a trainee, she said that, okay, you're going to lead the night shifts. So I was working as a lead night shift supervisor. So in that sense, I mean, if you perform well, if you're dedicated to your cause, you will get recognition. आपको
yes
क्यों नहीं मिलेगी? आपको अगर आप परफॉर्म करोगे, आपको सुपरवाइजर क्या, आपको मैनेजर मिल जाएगा. But ये आपके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है, like how well you progress. From there, I mean, like after I finished this front office, I worked in sales. I was working at the Ritz-Carlton Dubai International Financial Center
wow
as a sales representative. So I was with Marriott for like over 7 years, I think. Yeah. So uske baad, like, I mean, my career track changed. Now I'm working with HTMI as a business development individual and hospitality training manager. I was teaching for 1 year. So like, it's not just like, okay, hanji, ab main ye sab kya karunga? I mean, ab ye dekho na, like working as a kitchen worker all the way to what I've become now. I mean, like there has been a progression, and it has not just been in Switzerland. It has been all across the globe. It has been in Dubai. It has been in Abu Dhabi. It has been in Singapore. Now in India. So it's just how you plan things. It's just how आपके दिमाग में क्या चल रहा है.
Very important. Very important. Am I audible?
Yes, बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, of course.
Okay. So there's one question by Wakit. I think very excellent question which Wakit asking. I think, sir, this opportunity, these opportunity good for home chefs too. What will you say?
Of course, yes. Home chefs के लिए it's absolutely brilliant, because what's understood from home chefs is that they are working with cloud kitchens, right? Cloud
Yes.
kitchens का concept जो है, it's very new to the Indian market.
Yes.
So this is something that how to hone your skill, because there are kitchens that are creating healthy food. There are kitchens that are creating like authentic Indian food. There are kitchens that are creating like, you know, only based on this vegan food. So there's
Yes.
a variety that is available, and you will only get to know this knowledge once you get to learn. You can only depend on Google and Instagram so much, right?
Yes,
And
of course, of
how
course.
you create, how you curate your own recipe, this is something that you as an individual need to be taught. It's something which,
Very
yes, if you
important.
have a natural knack of things, of course you can do this naturally, but then you must be
Yes.
utmostly gifted to be able to do so. But
Very important.
if you get the right guidance, like for HTMI, for example, we have 2 programs, which is a graduate diploma and a postgraduate diploma program for
Yes.
Swiss culinary arts. So this is for hot kitchen, but then there's also baking and pastry at the same time. So there are 2 paths that students are getting offered, where like if they want to become a pastry chef, sure, we have that program. You want to become a special culinary chef in the hot kitchen, of course, we have that option. And if you want to have like a specialization degree for it, we offer a BSc in culinary arts as well.
Yes.
So
Yes. Yes.
in that sense, like, you know, we have programs that are not only just providing students with the knowledge, but we're training individuals to become specialists at what they do.
Yes.
And
Very important.
that's what's important to understand, that specialization can take you further, like way further in your personal development and your business development.
Very important. In fact, you rightly said, Nishant. What is important now is to specialize. You know, अभी क्या होता है कि अभी सब मैंने देखा है students को, they never believe something. You know, a course करना है, but आगे क्या करना है, or after the future,
Exactly.
after completing the course, they don't know. And
Exactly.
somewhere I feel it is important that, you know, the programs which we have, you know, you should specialize yourself. Either you want to become a bakery chef, or you become a F&B manager, or you become a wine sommelier, or whatever you want to be. You have to have a particular knowledge, and that's what, you know, I believe in MIHM. I believe in that, you know, the specialization is more important. The basic skills are more important. The importance of the hospitality in terms of the real time experience is more important than rather than आप जो सामने सीखते हैं वो ही करते हैं. You know, आपका फ्यूचर उसी पे डिपेंड करता है. अगर आपने आज ढंग से सीखा तो आपके 10 साल सेव रहेंगे, नहीं तो आपने आज नहीं सीखा कुछ भी तो नेक्स्ट ईयर 10 years are not safe for you. So this COVID has taught us a lot कि जितना सीखेंगे उतना अच्छा होगा.
See, एक ये भी फैक्टर आता है कि हमारी जो मार्केट है, we have to keep in mind, like, okay, like how we began the conversation कि हाँ जी लोग sanitize अपने आप को नहीं कर रहे, like they're still walking around without the mask.
Sir.
This is basic. This is like the basic in the hospitality industry. You need to be hygienic. I mean, you as a customer, if by any chance you see a small piece of hair in a soup, you complain, you make a riot about it. As an individual, you put this on TripAdvisor, horrible, 1-star rating, everything.
Yes,
right?
yes.
But again, like, to practice this as an individual, it needs to come from within. It needs to be taught. It needs to be groomed. So all of this is done through the grooming standards that we have at HTMI. I mean, like, and with MIHM, of course.
Yes,
because what is important is for individuals to get that this is not only just a matter of कि ठीक है जी भारत पढ़ के हम आए हैं तो कोई बात नहीं सब कुछ ठीक हो जाएगा. No, I
ऐसा
think
नहीं है.
it's more about how you perceive things to be useful for you in the long run, as like how Wakit asked, okay, what is the long run idea about it? The long run idea about it is to keep your future secure.
Very important.
Is to keep, like, you know, this education in hospitality management is not only just purely for like cooking. It's not just purely for managing people, but it is more for keeping yourself, bulletproof from every single thing that is going to happen in the future. Yes, there has been COVID, but it has affected every single industry.
Everything,
It
yes.
hasn't affected engineering. It has affected factories. It has affected like real estate. I mean, the
Everywhere.
list is endless. So
Endless, endless. Yeah.
yeah,
I agree. That's more important. So, just Nishant, can you just brief us about after completing diploma program with MIHM Bhatinda, what are the career opportunities? What are the pathways for the students? How can they grow themselves with the Swiss programs?
of course. So MIHM, once the student finishes their diploma, so there is a pathway that opens up for students. Here, the students will have the opportunity to sign up for HTMI Switzerland, where they will be studying for 2 years. In this 2 years, they will be doing advanced diploma in hospitality, and they'll be doing a BSc honors in hospitality and tourism management as well, which is awarded by Ulster University. So this is something which is our academic partners. We have been in partnership for over 15 years, a very healthy partnership. And the program is very simple. So each year is divided into a 6+6 format. So a student goes for the advanced diploma, or the higher diploma, sorry, where they do 6 months of education on campus full-time, where they will be trained, they will be getting this theoretical knowledge, all of it. And then the following 6 months, they'll be going for full-time jobs in Switzerland itself, where they'll be paid 2,000 Swiss francs per month. In terms of what we take care of students is not only just their tuition fees, not only just their learning experience, but also their living experience. So
Very
students'
important.
meals, breakfast, lunch, dinner is included in the fee structure. The accommodation is included. The most basic accommodation that we provide is a triple sharing with a bathroom. Of course, there are several other options as well, but that's something which completely depends on the students, because like I said, our hotel campus is built like a hotel. So
Yes.
on the first floor, we have all the training facilities, such as the F&B training, the kitchen training, the front office training, etc. And then from first floor onwards, these are just accommodations. So
Very
this way,
important.
the student will know that, okay, this is how a hotel runs, and this is like
Very
my
important.
living experience. Now, following to that, once they finish the higher diploma, then they'll be going for the BSc honors degree. And in this BSc honors degree, which is awarded by Ulster University, this is going to have that impact that is needed for the hospitality industry, because it's a first ranking university in the UK for hospitality training. So here it is the BSc honors degree, which they will do 6 months, fully academic. It is very academically heavy. In the higher diploma itself, students will be prepared of how to write research papers, how to get this, academic skills honed for themselves. Afterwards, they get this program where they get into fully academic purposes. 6 months studies, 6 months internship. After that, they graduate.
I'm sorry. I'm interrupting you. Nishant, there's a question from Bokit again. Sir, as Nishant sir said about short-term courses, bakery and patisseries, what is the opportunity for them? He's just asking about the short-term bakery and patisserie program. Can be helpful for them? How can they grow themselves?
So in terms of short-term courses, if the student ever chooses to do a short-term course, it won't have the same impact as a full year course, because a short-term course is basically you learning in a classroom setup. So in that sense, where you're studying for 1 full year, where you get 6 months of studies, 6 months of internship, not only are you getting trained, but you're also getting the industrial experience, which gives you as an individual running a business the credibility to have a legitimate business, that you have the experience in Switzerland and you are running a business in India. That is brilliant. I mean, in that case, your clientele is just going to say that, okay, he knows or she knows what they're doing. They have that industrial knowledge. They have this overall outlook of how things are working, and they have the knowledge of creating new recipes, because आप अगर vegan recipe भी बनाते हो, इंडिया में vegan recipes, there are many, because like I mean हमारे culture में है ही ऐसा, like most
नहीं.
of us are very vegetarian, right? और हमारी options are endless, but उसको आप how can you curate it to an international crowd? क्योंकि हर कोई दाल चावल खा के खुश नहीं है. हर कोई like the moments that you know you give this option of vegan, like they just want to stick to vegetables, but of course like there are several other options. दाल चावल आप कितनी time बना दोगे? Like you have several other options. So that knowledge and that intelligence comes only through the industrial experience and through a long-term knowledge.
Very important. I think that's a right answer. And Wakit, just to add on with what sir is saying, अगर आपको इंडिया में भी रह के अगर आपको कुछ स्टार्ट करना है, यू नो दैट्स व्हाट यू कैन डू इट. आप अपने आप को हैंड्स ऑन प्रैक्टिस ले सकते हैं, इंडस्ट्री प्रैक्टिस ले सकते हैं. एंड एज आई सेड, MIHM इज यू नो एसोसिएटेड विद वन ऑफ द बेस्ट होटल ऑफ द सिटी, कंफर्ट इन ट्यूलिप हाइट्स. सो यू नो आपके लिए बहुत अच्छा एडवांटेज रहेगा कि आप यहाँ पे रह के अगर आपको अपना बिजनेस स्टार्ट करना चाहते हैं, यू कैन डू अ प्रोग्राम. एंड of course you can have your business also. You can get a lot of training support from the hotel, and then you can easily take your professional career. So we have a lot of participants now. Nishant is here, Alok Maninder is here. Hello everyone, how are you all? Good to see you. Thank you so much for joining. And of course, I would like to wrap up this discussion, Nishant. This was a very healthy discussion. So, what are the basic skills required to be perfect hotelier? What is your take on this?
I think for a perfect hotelier, I think it's really important for individuals to understand that it's all about teamwork. It's all about how well you take in this knowledge that is being shared with you. Because you get to know people from different cultures. I mean, like in India itself, like we have a very diverse culture. We have like, you know, north, east, south, सबका हर किसी का खाना अलग है, हर किसी का behavior अलग है, हर किसी का एक रहना सहना अलग है. So to become a perfect hotelier or to become an individual who is successful in the hospitality industry, I think it's very important for people to be outgoing. It is important for people to be receptive of how the other cultures are, to be cooperative, to be able to keep a dialogue that keeps the entire conversation and the entire idea of working as either an entrepreneur or either as a front office individual or as a kitchen individual to be creative. You have to allow that to be you have to allow that yourself to be creative. You have to take the risk, because in that sense it's a humanized industry. Like hospitality industry is not only just कि हाँ जी आपने चेक काट दिया हो गया बस अब आपको किसी से कोई लेना देना नहीं है. I mean it's not retail industry. आपको एक clientele बनाना पड़ता है, क्योंकि आपको हर किसी से maintain करना पड़ता है relation. और relationship ऐसे ही build होते हैं because what you do आपको अपना clientele base से शुरू करना पड़ता है. And you have to build it from one step to another. तो इस तरीके से एक I think there needs to be a practicality mindset, पहली बात, एक international mindset, a receptive mindset. You should have that ability to take risks, of course calculated risks. ये नहीं कि हाँ जी ठीक है कुछ भी करके
उठ के चल पड़े.
So calculated risks, you have to have that, and at the same time you have to give yourself the time, because time and patience is something which is really required in the hospitality industry. If you're looking to get into the hospitality industry and expect something like the next year, I think that the industry is not for you then, because this requires hard work, it requires the dedication, and that goes for every single industry in the world.
Yes.
Be it in engineering, be it, I mean, I have seen cases where students have MBAs and they have done mechanical engineering and they are sitting at home unemployed. But whereas in the hospitality industry, it is a guarantee. It is a 100% guarantee that you will be employed. You will not be just sitting at home. You will be doing things which, okay, for the time being may not be what you're aiming for, but it is a gateway for you to start something. And that's something which allows students, which allows families to provide for themselves. And this is one of the most key takeaways that the audience can take, and also later the viewers can take from this conversation, is that it's going to keep on going like this. And if keeping in mind that, okay, how bad is the COVID situation? Because you cannot blame everything on COVID. Everything cannot be like, okay, हाँ जी COVID की वजह से हमारा career stop हो गया, नहीं. Career आपका stop हुआ है आपकी decision की वजह से. So इस चीज को जितनी जल्दी रेक्टिफाई किया जाए, जितनी जल्दी आप उसके ऊपर एक्शन लेंगे, उसके ऊपर आपका रिजल्ट निकलेगा. क्योंकि
वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट
जो एक एक हिंदी में सेइंग है, हरकत से बरकत. सो सिंपल सी बात है, लाइक आप कर्म करो, इफ यू डू समथिंग only then you receive something. So
very important.
I mean, like Punjabi crowd है, so I think like it's very like ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਵੀ ਸਮਝ ਆ ਜਾਏਗਾ ਕਿ ਹਾਂਜੀ ਹਰਕਤ से ही बरकत करती है. So in that sense, I think it is very important that whoever has this inhibition के hospitality अभी नहीं, फिर कभी बाहर जाना अभी नहीं, फिर कभी पढ़ाई अभी नहीं, फिर कभी, तो that's what it's going to yield, you know. वही होगा, करियर के साथ ही वही होगा, और आपके माइंडसेट के साथ अभी नहीं तो फिर कभी. So
बिल्कुल टाइम बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, टाइम बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. जो है, आज पढ़ेंगे, आज पढ़ाई करेंगे, कल का सोचते रहेंगे कि हाँ कल हो जाएगा, कल होता रहेगा, वो कभी नहीं होगा. सो इट्स इंपॉर्टेंट कि आज जो है पढ़ाई करिए, पढ़ाई के साथ में आगे बढ़िए और साथ में अपने आप को स्किल्स डेवलप करिए, विच मिस्टर निशांत वाज सेइंग. इट्स इंपॉर्टेंट टू डेवलप योर स्किल्स, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. इनफैक्ट निशांत, आई वुड लाइक टू ऐड ऑन विद what you're saying. I feel सबसे important है for the young generation to understand, एक आपका एटीट्यूड, पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड होना बहुत जरूरी है. प्लस आपको कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स पे ध्यान रखने की बहुत जरूरत है. योर कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स आर द की फैक्टर फॉर योर सक्सेस. इवन एटीट्यूड इज समथिंग व्हिच मेक्स यू डिफरेंट. एंड बी डिसिप्लिन. अगर आप टाइम मैनेजमेंट की बात कर रहे हैं, अगर आपको सुबह 8 बजे क्लास स्टार्ट हो रही है तो 8 बजे आपको पहुंचना पड़ेगा. वी हैव मिस आहूजा आरती. ओह हेलो मैम, हाउ आर यू? गुड टू सी. We have one of the trainer. Good morning, ma'am. A very good morning. Good morning, ma'am. Skills are so crucial. Yes, she is saying yes. Skills are very crucial. So, thank you so much, Aarti, ma'am. You shared and your social skills and interpersonal skills. Yes,
I completely
very important.
Aarti, ma'am. So I think I'll just add on. Sorry, Rahul ji. I'll just add this. So, एक जो soft skills हैं और एक जो आपके hard skills हैं. These two things are very important in the hospitality industry for you to have a successful career. Hard skills आपके like whatever skills that you learn from an institute. Soft skills जो आपके interpersonal skills, social skills, as Ms. Aarti has pointed out. Because without it, hospitality industry में आपको success होना, it's difficult. और Switzerland में आपको, जैसे आपने बोला, discipline, punctuality, वो like it comes by nature.
Yes.
बड़ा छोटा सा example दूंगा. Switzerland is known for its punctuality and its watches, right? So Swiss time के हिसाब से अगर आपकी ट्रेन 9:57 AM पे निकल रही है, 9:57 पे निकल रही है, like there will not be a train standing at the station at 9:58. ये नहीं कि हाँ जी ठीक है 3 मिनट है 10 बजे तक पहुंच जाएंगे, कोई बात नहीं, ट्रेन निकल जाएगी. It will leave. It will leave exactly at the time that it will.
I've experienced it. मैंने experience किया है ये चीज का. मैंने experience किया है इस चीज का. So Switzerland is very punctual. अगर 8 o'clock meeting time है तो है. Either not 1 minute before, not 1 minute after. 8 o'clock sharp meeting starts.
Yes.
So this is what I also feel it in Switzerland. That's more important.
Of course. Okay. And I think like with MIHM, it's a great platform for students to understand कि हाँ जी, we are getting that Swiss education in India, and they should be proud. They should be, I would say, taking advantage of this. Really.
Yes, thank you so much, Nishant. It was, ma'am was saying it is a labor incentive industry. Yes, so soft skill is the key. Yes, very important, ma'am. Yeah, and we truly said, Nishant ji, बहुत important है. And of course, MIHM, Punjab people should be blessed that there's एक institute यहाँ पे ऐसा आया है जो कि एक soft skills पे and of course the personality पे and of course the real time experience देना चाहता है. And we are proud. Associated with HTMI Switzerland. तो जो STMI का curriculum है, it's in India, and now we together giving a very handful of industrial experience to the students. So
Of
ये
course.
अब opportunity और only institute in Punjab which is attached to the hotel. So that is
Yes.
what the thing is important for us.
Certainly.
Any other tip you would like to share, Nishant? Any other, of course, everyone would like to hear from you.
So I think
And
like मेरी तरफ से मैं खाली इतना ही बोलूँगा कि आपको अपने ऊपर भरोसा रखना चाहिए, क्योंकि आपको
yes,
अपने like मुझे जो था, like I'll just share my experience. मेरे ख्याल से conversation काफी लंबी चलेगी है. I mean whoever is going to view the video later उनको time लगेगा. So I think like जो मेरा career था, I was studying in Delhi University. So I did my BCom honors. Like शुरू किया था मैंने, but I failed very drastically. I was pursuing my chartered accountancy. I failed very drastically. I felt like there is no future. I felt like there is no career इसके बाद, क्योंकि हर कोई अपनी life में आगे बढ़ रहा था. And for me, it was like a very depressing time, I would say. Not knowing what to do. I was feeling very lost. But I took that decision कि नहीं, I think it is wise of me. जो अगर मुझे इंडिया में opportunity अगर ऐसी नहीं मिल रही है, अगर मुझे बाहर मिल रही है, ठीक है, I'll invest. I mean, my parents were very supportive with this. They were very helpful कि हाँ जी नहीं, आपको जाओ, आपको करना है, आपको बाहर ही पढ़ना है, because in that way it allowed me to not only just develop myself but settle myself for my career. और
yes,
इस चीज़ के लिए मैं निश्चिंत हूँ कि if से अगर कोविड आया, like जो महामारी जिसको कहा गया था कि like it is a pandemic, touch wood, I am still employed. I am still employed, and thanks to this education,
yes,
to this experience, I have kept myself occupied even during the worst of times that has come. So इस चीज़ के लिए I think students, parents, the viewers, and the industry needs to understand that it is important for अपने अंदर एक आत्मविश्वास रखना, क्योंकि मोदी जी कहते हैं कि आत्मनिर्भर रहिए. So in that sense हमें अपने आप को हमें अपना आत्मविश्वास भी पहले जगाना पड़ेगा. So for us to make sure कि हमें एक प्लेटफॉर्म मिल रहा है जहाँ पर हम outshine कर सकते हैं. So in that sense, I think we have to have the faith in ourselves. We have to have that
yes,
confidence in ourselves to take that risk, to take that next step for ourselves, because nobody is going to provide a silver-plated service to you as an individual. We have to work for ourselves, and we have to overcome our own challenges first before judging that, okay, how well will the return on investment be? How well will I be successful? When will I become a manager? That is much later.
very,
We just have to be confident in ourselves.
very important, very important. Excellent answers, very much important. Before we're going to wind up the session, Eddie would like to have would like to ask any question with Mr. Nishan. Great listening to
Please.
Mr. Suri. Mrs. Aarti saying great listening
Thank
to
you so
Mr.
much,
Suri.
Ms. Aarti. Really appreciate that.
Anyone would like to ask anything about the future growth, and of course, like to know more about the programs? The panel is open for everyone. So you can ask anything if you have any kind of doubt. Of course, आपके मन में कुछ भी शक का सवाल होता है, मैं आप सबसे एक ही चीज बोलना चाहूंगा, पढ़ाई का कोई कट नहीं है, पढ़ाई करनी पड़ेगी तभी आप आगे बढ़ पाएंगे. पढ़ाई का कोई कट नहीं है. लोग शॉर्टकट लेते हैं लाइफ में, शॉर्टकट से कभी नहीं आगे बढ़ पाओगे. इंपॉर्टेंट है कि आप पढ़ाई करिए और उसके साथ में अपनी स्किल्स को डेवलप करिए. और हॉस्पिटैलिटी तो ऐसी चीज है जो हमारे दिलो दिमाग में बसी हुई है. चाहे आज अब मैं आपके घर जा रहा हूँ या आप किसी के घर जा रहे हैं, तो चाय पानी तो, और पंजाब की तो ये दिलों में है.
बिल्कुल.
ये तो स्पेशलिटी है. मैंने खुद ने नोटिस किया है कि कहीं भी जाता हूँ पंजाब में, कम से कम जाके दिस सर्व नहीं जी, खाना खा के जाना तो ये मेरे लिए एक आई थिंक इट्स थैंक यू सो मच आरती मैम. ग्रेट लाइव वैल्यूबल पॉइंट्स. यस, we'll note that. With this, I'm going to wrap up this session. Thank you so much, Mr. Nishan. Thank you so much, the audience. Thank you so much, all of you. Sir, any tips to youngsters? Yes, there's a question. Sir, any tips to youngsters to get personality and success like you? आपके fan है.
Okay, so जो एक मेरी जैसी पर्सनालिटी बनेगा, पहले आपको 6 फुट होना पड़ेगा, बट लाइक दैट्स समथिंग डिफरेंट. बट आई थिंक लाइक इन टर्म्स ऑफ पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट इट रियली कम्स जो आप एक अपने आप को इंडस्ट्री में डालते हैं. सो आप अपनी पढ़ाई पहले कीजिए, आप अपनी जो आपको एम बनाना है उस चीज को आप अभी लाइक ठीक है, लॉन्ग टर्म प्लान अगर अभी से आप करनी शुरू कर दोगे बिना कोई एक्शन लिए, दैट इज नॉट गोइंग टू वर्क. सो पहले आपको सबसे पहले कुछ स्टार्ट करना पड़ेगा. सो MIHM आप ज्वाइन कीजिए सबसे पहले. आई थिंक दैट्स द फर्स्ट स्टेप टू गेट एनरोल्ड, टू गेट गोइंग विद योर एजुकेशन, टू गेट ट्रेन्ड. ग्रूमिंग इज गोइंग टू फॉलो. एक पर्सनालिटी आपकी वहां से ही डेवलप होगी. हाउ टू बी प्रोफेशनल, हाउ टू बी सक्सेसफुल, इट स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम द बॉटम. इट रियली स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम द बॉटम. और आपको यू हैव टू बी ट्रू टू योरसेल्फ. हर कोई कहता है ना कि नहीं मुझे इस चीज के अंदर नहीं, यू हैव टू, ठीक है एडजस्ट कर लेंगे. you have to be true to yourself. You have to be challenging. You have to push your own boundaries. क्योंकि जब तक आप किसी चीज का चैलेंज नहीं लोगे उस चीज को आप कभी ओवरकम नहीं कर पाओगे. like until and unless you jump into a sea you will not know how to swim.
Yes, very important. I think kudos to you. Excellent solutions you said. Thank you so much, Nishant. Thank you so much, all of you. It was a very interactive session and very valuable points discussed today. And I would like to wish everyone best of luck. And HTMI and MIHM together created a platform for all of you. If you have any doubt, you can ask us. Thank you so much, Meenakshi. Thank you so much. Rishi Rai is also joined. Thank you so much, all of you. Great to have connected with them. Thank you so much, Ishan. It was a pleasure meeting you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir. And just want to say thank you to everybody for joining in as well today. And
yes.
God bless. Stay safe, stay healthy. And please do feel free to interact with Rahulji or with myself. We're more than happy to assist with any queries that you may have.
Anytime.
And
thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Anytime you can visit our website and you can ask us anytime, or follow us on Instagram also. Thank you so much, Walk. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye.
Thank you so much, Rahulji. Thank you.
Bye.